Hello again, slow riders. Yeah, it's a little cool today. I probably should have put on my long drawers under my pants or even wear my chaps, but oh well, it happens. Just a short ride today. Yeah, we got a storm moving in. It's a great big one up in Alaska, and we're getting the sides of the edges of it down here. That's okay. If it wants to rain, we can use the rain. We're on our way to Morro Bay, California. I'm going to show you a rock. Yeah, a big damn rock too. Here comes another biker coming around the corner. go down to the Embarcadero, but I give you a quick glimpse of the rock I was telling you about. How about that thing, huh? Look at over there. Give you a, get over the rock, I'll give you a quick history of it, geology lesson. As long as it don't get wiped out by a tourist. Morro Bay used to have a grand fishing fleet. In fact, its main industry was the fishing fleet. Of course, thank you, environmentalists. Fleet's been pretty much destroyed from working. They have to go way too far out, and their catch level was minimized so much that it's not worth it. So most of them left. Morro Rock, 580 plus feet tall. It was a, well, it should say, it still is a very sacred site for the Chumash and Salinan Indian tribes locally. Nobody gets to climb it anymore. It used to be a tourist thing to climb it. In fact, there are still concrete stairs near the top and railings up there. But soon enough, too many people got hurt, and then they found a pair of nesting peregrine falcons up there. So they shut off anybody climbing, any public person climbing. Now the Salinan Indians, seeing that's a sacred site for them, pressured state Congress, and they have the sole permission to climb it for ceremonies. Now the Chumash Indians consider it too sacred to climb. Motorcycle shortcut. And I'm gonna park it right here. Come around the corner. Back brake only. So they're pretty upset that Salinans are allowed to climb it, but they're the only ones to climb it. But that's their business, not ours. Now, I don't know if the cameras are going to pick it up, but you can see the smooth, weather-worn rock part over here. All the edges are round. But over here, you can see the edges start to get jagged and chunked and like it's all broken off. Well, this piece of the rock came nearly out to where I'm standing. I'm at least 100 meters or more from the rock. This old chunk was blasted off and quarried for about 100 years, from about 1889 to about 1969. The rock was used for building, other constructions. It actually built the two breakwaters that are out here, and a lot of it was built to build the cave that we're standing on right now. This was open water. As you can see, the bay back here actually came across right here, and you can only get to the rock in low tide when the sand and stuff appeared. Then you could get over here, but not anymore. And then the power plant right there, the intakes are next to that little white building, but the output, get out of the way, truck. I don't know if you see that fence line over there behind that white Toyota truck. That was the outlet, and warm water gushed out of there, went out into the bay, which was handy when you surf, because you could paddle over into that stream and it would literally take you out to the lineup. Real handy. But they shut the plant down, and now that outlet is all sanded in from the tides. Okay, Barbie, let's go. Bug. There's some surfers, alright, at least someone's out there. Now a lot of surfers, if it's too rough on this side where I just showed you, they'll go over here to the breakwater, which is looking like what they've done, and they'll ride the breakwater. All you surfers know a good breakwater swell is some of the best waves to ride because they're absolutely consistent. Bypass all the idiots. That's right, you can't go over there, buddy. Dog poo. I'll get you a better view of the shattered rock. You can see where it's smooth right there directly in front, and then crash, 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 and you can almost see where they drilled to put in the dynamite on that short ledge right there. It looks like a stark like crack in the middle of it. Well, that's where the end of the dynamite, end of the drill hole was before they blew the dynamite. And of course pressure is going to radiate out and break it away like that. I said this piece of the rock nearly came out to that rock right there. So all this area where I'm standing right now was rock, solid rock. Now Morro Bay, or should I say Morro Bay? No doubt, puppy. I'm telling you, I'd bark at me too. Crazy surfers. Now Morro Rock is a lava plug. It's one of the most amazing things about this formation. It's not a lava dome. Lava domes are built up externally through a vent. Morro Rock is a lava plug, which means there was a giant mountain of a volcano around this, and this was actually the vent that started to cool and created a plug. So Morro Rock was actually a plug in a volcanic vent. I believe this is one of the last of the volcanoes that came up. So that was about 23 million years ago. And in that time, the volcanic mountain has literally been washed and eroded away, leaving just the plug. So this great big 580 foot by just as wide, if not a quarter-mile wide rock was inside a mountain. Cool stuff. Surfers gotta surf, dude.